Hello guys, and hello everyone. I'm here with a new video today and hope you all like it. This video about this Toyota Yaris 2007 is the radio. So this radio we can use only for like CD, MP3 player or a radio. But I did find something which is I would like to share with everyone. It might be help so many people out there, and this is not a commercial video anyway. I'm just trying to help the other people. So this is the device actually I use for to play the music from the USB and memory card. So you can play if you have this cable connected with your player. You can play USB pen drive or memory card to your car. You don't need CD. So I will show you how I did it. I already have fitted in my car, but I will open everything so you can see that from the beginning how to do it. And in this video, my son, my elder son and my younger son, both they help me. So I will give my phone to hold my elder son and I will start to do the work. Okay, so at the beginning, first we have to, we need a few tools. I will show you now, 1 second. So the tools we need, we need one of these plastic tools and we need also the screwdriver. So what I have to do, I have to open this, bring closer here. You see, all you have to do here is basically, because it's all clips, see, it's just you put this plastic tools. I have the smaller actually, so you use one of these tools and then it's clip everywhere and it will come up, it will come up. It will come up and you have to see here there is a for hazard light switch. So hazard light switch, you just push this and you take it out and this whole piece come out. So actually this is all about its clips. Again, it's the same also this side. Again here, 1 second. So here we go. So also here we have a airbag connections. All you have to do, just take it out and so both pieces come out. And then we have, Jason, can you hold this tools, yes, please? So then we need one of the star screwdriver. So we'll use so you see here, 1 second, I will show you, then give me the camera. See here, once you open this, you see there is a screw here and there is a screw there and there is one screw here. So it's basically it's 4 screw. I will take it out, this 4 screw, you will see. So okay, it's a bit careful here because if the screw fall inside, it will be difficult for me to collect them. I don't have the magnet, screwdriver. Okay, 1 second.
Be careful.
Okay, mine is screw actually fall inside, which I have to collect them after. Anyway, so another screw. Okay, so here is another one. This is pretty easy. This is just use your hand and you can I have here, so another screw is there. So screw is up. So you see, after that you have to come here, you push here, here you have to make sure there is a 3 plastic tools here, and you have to take out them. Once you release from that, then all you have to do, pull the player from down, and then I got all this. So then you just bring, then all you have to do, just come out. So this whole pieces is come out. I will take the camera 1 second. So we just release the radio, and then once you go in the back, hold this, gentlemen. Once you go back, you see here, so this is the connection actually I did. These are the connections. So I will take it out. This is where you have to connect. I will not take it out because it's quite difficult for me now. This is where it's like you have to connect this cable, but this cable, make sure, I will show you I will let you the link. It's a 6 1 second, just 1 second. I will see if I can take it out. This, give me a second. Okay, here you go. I did take it out, but I want you to see. You see, that's the jack port you need. That's exactly the cable you need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin on the down, and then 6 pin on the top. So it's like 12 here. Just so now let's say this is the cable will go here. Will go here. That's all you have to do. Just a cable actually. It's just a cable. I'll hold it. I will let the phone to my son. No, just here. Bring here. So you push properly. Disconnect this cable. I pass to my glove box. All I have to do then, put it back my system. So because I connect this cable, what I'm gonna do now, put them back in the place. So you have to make sure you have everything properly gone in the places. See, it's go automatically once you connect them. Then you have to put this pin and then you have to put this pin. It's very easy. It's just a plastic tool actually. It's nothing, it's difficult. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so it's gone in the place. So I will now, so the cable I pass from the glove box, I take out the glove box, cable I pass here. So this is the actually the device, so which is a connect behind the player. From there to cable I pass, just very easy to pass in the glove box. And this is the device. When you buy this cable from the Amazon, you will get it. They will send you with one of this memory card reader as well. And once you connect them, you can place anywhere you think is the right place to put, and then you can close the glove box. And now I will show you. So see, the car is turned on, it's radio now. So we have to go disc. So this is the songs is playing now from the USB, from the device we connected, the cable we connected. So it's playing from this USB cable, and this is the cable which is you have to change here. Is the disc. So if you put the CD in there, it will work. But normally, actually, this is CD changer. So it will work also from. Give me a second. It will work also from here, the remote of the steering wheel. You can change the music there. And the sound quality is like original CD, so sound quality is very, very good, I think. You can change. So this is it, guys. That's the video actually I want to show you. I think it will help anyone. All you have to do, buy this cable from the Amazon or anywhere you find, and then connect them. Just very easy to release this what do you call this hole both sides, and then release this 4 screw, and then take out the radio, connect this cable, pass the cable to the glove box, and then from glove box, then before you put the screw and then everything in back together, just try it, play it. So once you connect it, you have to make sure you have to change the here, and then hopefully it will work and it will help most of the people. It just cost 18 pounds, and then you can have access to the USB pen drive and memory card to play the music in your car. Okay, so if you enjoy this video, just make a like or just subscribe my channel. I'm not a professional YouTuber, but I try my best to help the people, very basic things. Thank you very much for watching my channel, and thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.